Mr. Foreign Minister, a question on Iran.
Okay.
Your country shares borders with Iran. Ambassador Akram many times said you cannot afford having bad relations with Iran. You hoped last year, Pakistan was hoping that the JCPOA would succeed so that the tensions in the region would... But today, when you see what's happening in Pakistan, what is your Pakistan's main stance on what's happening? And since you said that Afghan women are an issue for the whole Muslim world, is the Iranian youth, Iranian women, the 350 who were killed, 20,000 in jail, is this an issue for the international community also, or is it an internal issue that Pakistan would want to distance itself from?
As far as the protests that have been ongoing in Iran, I think that, which is obvious to everyone, that the peaceful protests are, and particularly the women who are protesting, are incredibly brave. We don't support sort of rioting or violence, but obviously peaceful protests are not only encouraged by us, but even within Iran. I think Iran's history has demonstrated that time and time again, the people of Iran have been very brave in their political activity, in their activism, and in their protesting. As a result of the protests of Iranian women, we are seeing, or at least I'm hearing, about potential reforms within Iran as a result of those protests, and I believe that achievement will be an achievement for the brave women of Iran who have been protesting.